Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Beetles Fall Collection here. It is called Cozy Campfire, and you can find it on Amazon, of course. So let's dive on in.
But why didn't she die from the massive dose of arsenic?
In this collection, these are 5 ml bottles, so they are the smaller ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16, 17, 19. Okay, there's 20 bottles in the collection. They come in these little things right here. They as well come with a base coat, top coat, and a matte top coat, which they always, these collections always come with those 3, which is awesome. Of course, they come with the application guide as well if you need that. You know, it's awesome that they come with the base coat, top coat, and even a matte top coat. A lot of them do not. And these bottles are the 7.5 ml bottles, so they're a little bit bigger. But I think it's so cool that every Beatles collection comes with those 3. But of course, when you've ordered several of these Beatles collections, then you're kind of overrun with all these top coats and stuff. But that's okay. That's okay. You use them up. Trust me, you will use them up. Okay. Let me get these out of here. And we'll start looking at them.
He pled guilty to a scientific history.
Alright, so got them all out here. They don't have a color name, of course, like we've talked about before. They just have the number on top and the color swatch there. Can you see that? Can you guys see that? Okay. Anyway, this one is A95. And it is a yellow, nice yellow.
Bakersfield, California, known for its oil fields, wide open spaces,
A96,
crime investigation.
Kind of a butterscotch color, if I had to get one. Maybe even a dandelion yellow, maybe. Marigold. I would call it marigold if I had to pick a color. It's kind of a, yeah, butterscotch or marigold. So that one is 96. I won't say the A in front of it. I'll just say the 95, 96, 97. It's just easier that way. They all got an A in front of them. Okay, this is 97.
One Saturday morning, the Merck's son
Nice
Robert
orange.
stopped by his parents' home for a visit. He immediately noticed something was wrong.
98.
He found a door open at the back of the house and entered, and immediately detected a foul odor.
And I backed out of the house.
Again, nice orange.
Something's wrong here. Go across the street and call
99. This one is red.
Was one of the first to arrive at the scene.
The entire residence was ransacked. Everything turned upside down.
Is this easier for you guys to see it, or do you like it better? I wonder when I do it like this. I don't know which one's better and easier for you guys to see.
When they got to the couple's bedroom, police discovered this was more than
Anyway.
a robbery.
This is 99. It's a red.
Lying across a bed with his hands and feet bound with some sort of
Kind of a true red.
And he was obviously deceased.
And then we got 100, which is a maroony, you know, much deeper red, kind of maroon color.
The pillow had been used
That is
to muffle
100.
the sound of the gunshots. But there were no spent shell casings in the home.
Then we got 101, which is a little bit lighter than the maroon.
Collected those casings to hide the evidence or to throw the investigation off track.
The search team found Alma Merck's body in the second bedroom.
There was a sliding panel in this location, and as we slid back, one could see that there was a body.
This one is 102, and it is a very nice sparkly red.
Wardrobe with the telephone cord tied around her neck.
I hope you guys can see the sparkles, because they're really pretty in there. Really pretty.
It's like a dream.
They're kind of like subtle, I guess, because it's red. It's red sparkles, not like gold or anything like that. It's like red glitter, but it's really pretty in there. Looks very, very holiday looking. That would actually be a really good Christmas color. Okay, this is 103, and it is a glittery orange.
On a sewing tray in the living room. In a search for suspects, a neighbor told police that he saw two men lurking around the Merck's home just a few days earlier.
This one is 104, and it is a gold, very nice shiny gold color.
That was the last you saw of them.
The Merck's had no known enemies, and no one else in the neighborhood saw or heard anything unusual around the time of
Next
the murders.
is 105, and it's kind of an olive green.
The fingerprints or some other
Not
forensic evidence at the
all that
scene
pretty, but it's
would
okay.
lead them to the killer.
Number 106 is a very nice, green.
The medical examiner recovered two 25 caliber bullets from his skull.
That's 106.
Coincidentally, one of Cliff's 25 caliber pistols was stolen during the robbery.
Next is 107, and this is a very popular color this season. This color of blue right here is very popular this season. Everybody's liking this color this season, me included. I think it's a very gorgeous color.
2 months later, investigators found Cliff Merck's
Next, we got 108. And this one you may have to build up. You can kind of see here, it's kind of see-through-ish. And that was with 2 coats. All of these are with 2 coats and a top coat. So that one, if you want it any darker or more opaque, you would probably have to try and build it up if it's possible. It's kind of a maroony purple color as well, but very sheer, very see-through. Have 109, which is a nice chocolate brown.
He bought the gun from an acquaintance, Robert Cowan, a man well known to law enforcement.
Have 110, which is a very nice brown glitter.
Stealing. Robbing houses, stealing from people outside of restaurants and that type thing.
Love this one. Very gorgeous.
Robberies and use of narcotics.
Robert Cowan also had a partner.
We have 111, which is a lighter brown.
The brothers were involved in criminal activity, a lot of small-time stuff, public drunk, a lot of narcotics usage.
112 and hazelnut,
Scientists tested Cliff's gun to see
light
if it
golden
was the
maybe,
one used
something
in
like
his
that.
murder.
Just a lighter
The gun
color
was
brown, a
tested
honey
in a
brown
tub of
maybe.
water.
And that's 112.
As bullets go
We got
through
113,
the
which is a
barrels
nice
and
nude
grooves
color.
which make the bullet spin,
Very nice
leave
nude
marks
color. I
on
like
the
this one.
outside of the bullet.
They will design the barrel to have a certain direction of twist, a certain number of landing grooves.
And
a certain
114,
measurement for those
which is a
landing
nice
grooves. So those are intentionally
wintry
put in by the
gray
manufacturer.
color. Wintry, fall-y.
Surprisingly, when the bullets
gray
from Cliff's gun
color.
were compared to the bullets from Cliff's
So
autopsy,
this is
they did
all.
not
I'm not
match.
going to hold them up for you because there ain't no way I can hold this many up. Keep them all in line so you can see them down here at the bottom of the
Investigators
screen.
checked all of the local pawn shops
This is
and
the
discovered
Beatles
the Cowan brothers had
fall
pawned
collection
some of
called
Alan Merck's
Cozy
jewelry.
Campfire.
With a search warrant,
And I'll see you guys in the next one.
police found
Thanks for
several other
watching.
items belonging to one used in the
Hey
murder.
guys, sorry about that. I wanted to throw in, since I'm doing kind of a Beatles little haul right here, and I got my Beatles stuff going on here. I ordered some Beatles polishes.
None of them matched.
These are actually the, you order these individually. They don't come in a collection, but you get these off Amazon as well. And this is the big bottle. It says big bottle here, and these are 15 ml bottles. So for the Beatles, that definitely is a big bottle because most of theirs are either 5 ml or 7.3 ml. So to 15 mls, that's about double their bigger size bottles. So I just wanted to kind of show these. This is $2.43. Let me do this how I normally do it. Sorry about that. These, like I said, I ordered individually, and these do have names. When you order the bigger bottles, they actually do have names. This one's called Burgundy Red. and I really like that. Very gorgeous, nice red for the fall. I ordered these for fall colors. That's why I wanted to go ahead and include them with this little haul right here. And this is that blue that, you know, we were talking about being so popular. I didn't realize it's kind of the exact same one if you look there. Exact same. I didn't realize I was ordering it again. My bad. That's, you know, I gotta start getting these collections swatched and put out before I go order more stuff, because then I end up ordering doubles. That's not the first time I've done that. But this is 271 and it's called Christina Egan.
Unsolved file. 10 years later, Jim Christopherson was promoted to
Next,
homicide
I
detective.
have this really awesome caramel color. This one is called Beyonce Caramel, and it is 277.
The way they were murdered,
Love this color.
and just knowing that there was that element out there still walking the streets.
Next, I have number 228, which is called Blanchet Maroon. It's a very dark maroon, really dark maroon, but I love it. Love it. Like, it's so dark you could almost count it as brown. It's a very dark maroon, and I love it.
10 years after Clifford and
The
Elmer
last
murder,
one I got going here, I can't remember the name of it because I forgot to write it down, but it's a orange. I think it was called Harvest Orange or something like that. It's number 227, and you can find it on the Beatles site or Amazon. I was kind of disappointed. I was looking for a darker orange than this. I wanted a really, like a burnt orange. So I was disappointed. It looked burnt orange in the picture. Got it home, swatched it. It's not. So I was pretty disappointed in this color, but that's okay. And, you know, somebody will like it. I'm sure I'll use it at some point, but it was not what I wanted. I did get a recommendation from a lady for a nice burnt orange, so I am waiting on that to come. I ordered it from a place called Lux or Luxa Nails, something like that. It was expensive, but I wanted a really nice burnt orange, so found one. These little bottles, they come individually in these little packs. When you open them, it says, "Hey there, gorgeous." I think that's so cute. Attention to details, that's important, you know. But anyway, now that actually is it for this collection, and hopefully this is it for my fall stuff I got going on, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.